We are going for the Polar Express ride. Yay! Let's go.
Let's go.
Rainbow, hi.
Bye.
Bo, are you excited to ride the train?
Let's go get the ticket.
Okay, let's go get the ticket. The Polar Express. There you go. Merry Christmas. What's that? Yay! Thank you.
And then everybody will need their own wristband. And then here are your guys' boarding pass.
Tickets, please, tickets. Well, you're coming?
Yes, we need a little Christmas right this very minute. It hasn't snowed a single flurry, but Santa dear, we're in a hurry. So climb down the chimney, turn on the brightest string of lights I've ever seen. Slice up the fruit cake. It's time we hung some tinsel on that evergreen bough. For we need a little Christmas right this very minute. Candles in the window, carols at the spinning. Yes, we need a little Christmas right this very minute. We need a little Christmas.
Store Santa this year, no letter to Santa, and you made your sister put out the milk and cookies. Is all of that true?
Yes, ma'am.
Well then, sounds to me like this is your crucial year. Ticket, please.
I'm not sure you have a ticket.
Try your pocket.
There's nothing in this pocket. There's a hole in it.
Try your other pocket.
Well, hello there, everyone. How many of you can see me? Raise your hands if you can see me. Maybe some of you can, some of you can't.
Raise your hands,
But one thing is for sure, seeing is believing, am I right?
Yeah.
Sure I am, seeing is believing. But sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see.
We got it. Hey, we got it. Say, we got it. Oh. Ooh, we got it. Hey, we got it. Say, we got it. Oh, we got it. So we got it. Yo.
You want hot chocolate? Okay. Oh, there you go. Wow, hot chocolate and a cookie.
The sheets, I breathed slowly and silently.
What do you think?
I was listening
Wow.
for a sound. A sound a friend had told me I'd never hear. The ringing bells of Santa's sleigh. There is no Santa, my friend had insisted, but I knew he was wrong. Late that night, I did hear sounds, though not of ringing bells. From outside came the sounds of hissing steam and squeaking metal.
Turn the page.
The train was filled
Whoa,
with
turn the
children.
page. Good job.
We sang Christmas carols and ate candies with nougat centers. And sang
Attention, please. Attention, Polar Express passengers. Someone very special has arrived to meet you.
Ho, ho, ho! The first gift of Christmas!
Oh, Bo, look, Bo! You got a bell!
What's your name?
Don't be shy.
That's okay. My name is Santa.
Nice to meet you, Santa. Thank you.
Well, why don't we sing the song that perfectly uses it?
Yeah, sing, Bo.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All up as we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing our sleigh song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, Dancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
Go back first.
What do you
You have to wait.
the most famous reindeer of all?
You have to wait. The red-nosed reindeer has a shiny nose. And if you ever saw it,
You can take close.
come on.
All of the
Listen,
other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph.
Hold Natalie. Hold Natalie.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to
Yay!
your nose so bright. Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then I'll
Red-nosed reindeer.
I don't know what to say.
Wow.
Teaspoon from steel.
Sorry, buddy. Just turn around right here for a second. I've heard you've lost something, young man, and Nicholas here found this. It has your name on it.
Thank you, Nicholas.
Very good. There's no greater gift than the gift of friendship.
Santa found my bell.
One thing about trains, it doesn't matter where they're going. What matters is deciding to get on. Merry Christmas.
Yay! Hi, Bo. Ready to take your Polar Express ride? Say yes. There's another train. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm trying.